Stop goofing around. Get cracking, will ya? We're late for school. You knuckleheads.
Dorks. Afraid somebody might steal your box?
That is right, son.
I am a woodpecker!
What do I pay you for anyway? You dolt. Double D?
Not to mention a duck.
Whatever. Go away, dorks.
What are you? Some kind of troll or something? No! I get my hands on you! No! What happened to the stairs?
I'm afraid I can't help you with that. Seems terribly risky and unsanitary. My apologies, Eddie.
That's disturbing.